picture.
Take a video.
Hi, I'm William, and we're going to do some finger painting today. And remember, so 4 colors: red, yellow, blue, and green. And this wood we're going to paint into a railway. So first, we're going to do blue. Then, now we're going to paint it. Don't get any slivers. Next, we'll get a towel. Because we're going to wipe it up. So we can wipe it off. And start new paint. So we can start new paint. Next color I want to review is yellow. Then I'll wipe and move on. Next, my next process is red. And then I'll wipe. Next, we will use green. Dark green. Now I'm going to put this on the wipe. Then I'm going to trace blue. Put on this. Then if I do one more color, then it's finished. Next, last color is yellow again. This time it'll be right here and here. And that's it.
Can you hold it up and show me what it is?
It is called a fumar.
Oops.
It's called a fumar. Well, thanks guys.